topic. On the topic. In the topic.
Okay, yeah, nice.
On the topic. On the topic.
Light out here,
In
crazy.
the topic.
Yeah, people in there see the cars.
Right. You don't like cars very much?
Yeah, no, I don't.
Okay. Yeah, no, I'm actually out here on vacation. I'm supposed to be moving out here. I currently live in Arizona. I've been doing photography for about 3 years now. I own my own company, and we actually take a lot of the models to the next level. We get real creative. We do different types of shoots. I know some of the girls do like the OnlyFans stuff, you know what I mean? But hold on, let me just grab you my business card. I get real excited when I talk about what I do. Yeah, this is one of them. Hold on. Well, I can't.
You said that you're a photographer?
What? I swear, you're the most judgmental girl I've met since I've been here. You're beautiful.
It's just
But
weird.
here's my business card. You can check me out. Like I said, I don't know. I mean, why don't we just go?
what?
Why don't listen? Look at me. Why don't we just go grab a drink? We could set something up.
Okay.
I think you're beautiful. I feel like we can make magic
There
together.
actually is a spot like around the block that's new.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yeah, you want to go like?
I'm down. We can have a
You are.
drink.
You're like. I swear, you're perfect. Here, come here. I'll open the door for you.
You should, right?
Duh. Here.
Wait, what's that?
What is what?
That's the same camera.
Baby, you're a trick.
Are you serious?
What are you talking about? Why you? What is what?
No, don't do this.
You're trick. What?
As photography.
Yo, yo, what are you talking? Hey, yo, she's crazy.